the Irish. Put my girl on the run to go with them, and that's the life for me. That's good. An Irish Irish and represents to me, because it's been out before, represents the Irish.